Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see an interesting account takeover due to OTP exposure. So what is this? Some web applications reveal the right OTP or a verification code in the response itself. Yes, so many websites are vulnerable to this attack, wherein the website reveals the verification code to the attacker prior, which is going to be sent on the victim's device. So the attacker will beforehand only know what OTP token is going to be sent onto the victim device, which is sitting anywhere into the world. So for showing this demonstration, we are going to do this attack onto two websites. One is a vegetable and food ordering website, and another one is a very famous bank website worldwide. So quickly start with the practical. So it's practical time now, and let's see the practical. So as you can see here, I came to this website, that is icicicarriers.com, and after coming to this website, I have opened the chatbot to talk with the customer support. Okay, so when I click on the chatbot, it says me to continue, you have to verify yourself and give your phone number. So here I'm going to enter my phone number. Yes, as you can see, I have given my phone number here, and I'm going to go in Burp and do intercept on to see what is the response and request coming to this specific request. So as you can see, I did send it the request to Burp suite, and you can see here the phone number is going into a post request, right? Let's do intercept the response of this request. I will just forward this and see that what is the response for this request. As you can see, the response contains the OTP that the user is going to get. As you can see, the OTP is being already shown, and the OTP is 4800 that is going to go to the user. As you can see, I'm going to show you my phone screen right now, in which I am able to get the OTP onto my phone after a couple of seconds, which is exactly the same which the attacker has already seen. So you can see the OTP is same, 4800 4800. Yes, the OTP is same. So I'm just going to copy this OTP, intercept off, go in here, enter the OTP and click on verify. As you can see, welcome to the world of exciting carriers. Yes, so I was able to bypass this verification, and I was able to do account takeover for anyone into this world onto this bank's website. Thank you.